bring in criminal defense attorney and former prosecutor Mark Eiglarsh. Mr. Eiglarsh, good to see you again. It's been a while.
Yes, good morning.
Good morning. So talk to us about the plausibility you think that D'Angelo could eventually face the death penalty.
Well, it's about 100% that he's going to face it. Now, will he get it? The governor doesn't decide who gets the death penalty. Jurors do. And I'm 100% sure that prosecutors will seek the death penalty and won't ever change their minds in this case. The victims want it. There's over 12 deaths. There's countless other horrific crimes that he's committed. Death is different, and it's reserved for the most abhorrent, heinous cases, and this is one of them. So they're not going to back down. They're going to seek it. This governor won't sign a warrant to ultimately have him executed. Okay, so what? Eventually, there will likely be a governor who will. So prosecutors are going forward.
So even if the governor says the death penalty can't be on the table, jurors can decide if it is? It can still be given to them as an option?
Absolutely. Prosecutors are following the law by seeking the death penalty. Death penalty is on the books, so they're going to seek it. Jurors will decide whether they want it or not for this particular gentleman, assuming he's found guilty, which is very likely. And then at some point, the governor will decide whether he or she will carry out the death sentence. It may likely not be this governor.
So I know that sometimes the death penalty is used as a bargaining chip by prosecutors. Yes, I mean, they could go to D'Angelo and say, hey, tell us what happened, give us a confession, maybe we'll skirt this issue.
Yeah.
How plausible is it that this guy, what we know about this guy, would ever confess, do you think?
It depends, first of all, as to whether he wants something other than what they're offering. For example, he may say, look, I don't want to be on death row for the remaining years that I have on this earth. I really want to be in general population. And if I give them answers to certain questions that maybe they have or cooperate, then maybe I can spare myself from being in a cage, isolated 23 hours a day, and maybe then I can be in general population.
Good point. Mark Eiglarsh, always good to see you. Thank you.
Same here. Thank you.